So hello everyone, today we make the polysealer machine here. Here it's aluminium E channel, so which is used here. It's 1 inch in breadth and its length is 11.5 inches. So here a hollow wood, it's a wood base which is heavy one, which is 15 inches, and it's 3 inches is that sides. So we connect our machine, polysealer machine on it. So first we put it right there and connect the screws. So at the center of it we put down this aluminium E channel, which is the base of our polysealer machine here. So next we place the mica on it, so now we place the mica with the SR heat sink or some type of glue here so that it is fixed properly, and then we put the mica on it. So I think it's both sides we have the same thing. So now we attach the mica on this E channel, and note if this is 4 mm away from this side so that it's do the work for insulator for this one, for this element, otherwise this will short all the things. So now we put the element on this, and here we have two wires which is connection wires for the element, and we put down on this and connect it here like this. And the other side is also shown, so that is why we remove that much amount of PVC. Do it for its normal stress, and here's perfect stress right down. Now this is the Teflon tape we used, which is heat proof and it prevents this grease. So here we finish up this section. So to avoid any dust for getting into this, we do the taping alongside with it. So here it's a Dr. tape or mica tape, and we connect it down here so that the cloth is free from dust and the element is free from any dust. Similar to the other side. So right now we finish our base part of this polysealer machine. Right now we work on the power supply and what. So here we have this supply which I used. Here you can see it's a ATX power supply which I made to convert this as a bench power supply. So I converted to bench power supply. So here we connect the one terminal to 12 volts, another is ground. So if you have any source which is 12 volt or 5 amperes, you can use as you want. So we connect the terminals of this power supply to this. So here we have the two terminals comes out of the element. One is connected to this end, one is connected to this end, and we connect this to the power supply source here, which is red is 12 volts and earth, this is earth. So we use this to make it. So this is convertible points. Element do not have the plus or negative point, so you can connect whatever you want to do or whatever which way you want to connect. So we connect down the points. And the next thing we made the upper things. So we used to make this with the 90 mm plywood, and here it's Teflon tape again. So we press this down. We have the sawdust in polythene ready to be packed. So first we put this steady state here like this, and put the at the center of it and place the rod. You can connect the hinge also. Now we connect the power cable right there. So it's prototyping version here. We have connected the power and press it gently in just few seconds. 1 2 3 4 5. And it's done. So here you can see it's perfectly sealed. So here you can see there is no anything comes out of it. This is beautifully and perfectly sealed. You can see the line over there, which is perfect, as you can see here.